So basically in this time I will just ask you some question about our online training program. So you already completed our total 7 days online training program, and I hope you already learned all of those things properly. Okay, so what you think about the online training program? Is it anyone who don't have any knowledge about the programming, they can easily learn all of those things easily or not?
Well, I found it very useful at first, and also you are very skilled and you are uh, you give a useful tool in order to well understand how Google Earth Engine works, starting from the basis and from the codes, and then trying to uh, um, explore all the function and all the potentiality that the platform gives to the operator. In particular, I really appreciate that you give me, but I think also to the other students, the possibility to solve problem and also to observe how works the platform, the potentialities, as said, and how to perform a link cover classification and so on. It's very, very useful from my side, and I really appreciate because you are very clear and you give the possibility also to try to observe and search other things in the platform. So
Okay, thank you. So basically, all of the students who join our online training program, they can get the lifetime teaching support or problem solving support. When they face any problem regarding any issue, I will get the supported. They get the supported freely. There is no problem. So anyone can easily learn from our online training program for who don't have any knowledge about the JavaScript programming or Python programming. So they can easily learn all of those things from the beginners level and then easily work for the research work. Okay. So currently, what are you doing? What is your level?
well, according to my knowledge, I think it's basic medium because thank you to your courses lesson and your advice, I'm now able to try to develop simple application, very, very basic, I say. But the most important thing is to try to scale some analysis on wide areas and in also sharing the code with my colleagues is great because at the beginning I need a lot of time to perform analysis in not in Google Earth Engine platform, but I have to download the data and then pre-process and then process.
Yeah.
Now it's great because I have more time to try to dedicate and study also other function in Google Earth Engine. So it's very important for me.
Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Great. Okay. So yeah. So in this time, are you a student or what is your level?
Well, I am a PhD student. I am trying I'm working on my dissertation and in some projects. So I'm still a student now, not a researcher.
Yeah. What's your university name?
The University of Torino is University of Turin in the northwest of Italy.
Okay, great. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so I hope you already learn all of those things from the Google Earth Engine very properly, and you can also use the further different types of geospatial research work which you gain from our online training program. You can easily use this type of technique and also do further a lot of research work. And further, if you want to join our online training programs such as machine learning, deep learning, or R programming language with the machine learning, or Python for the deep learning, machine learning. Okay, so if you want to interest to the more advanced online training program on Google Earth Engine or machine learning or deep learning, then you can easily contact with us. You can easily get all of those know about the details. Then you can easily registration and easily join our online training program. Okay.
Thank you so much. I will certainly contact you in the future because
Yeah.
I have also seen your website, and it's very interesting. Everything you offer and you do, so it's great.
Okay. 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 Thank you for your time. Okay. So as soon as possible, I will send you that. And keep practice and face any problem regarding any issue, just contact with me. I will try my best for you. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, and I will send you also the homework that you do the test. I'm so sorry if I ask you, but it's
Okay, you can do that.
administrative problem.
Okay. Okay, no problem about that. I will consider it. Okay, no problem.
Thank you
Okay,
so
thank
much.
you for joining. Okay, have a good day.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye.